I'm going to be doing some maintenance on this Ford Expedition, and I prefer to work with a clean engine bay, get everything cleaned up. So I'm going to show you how I go about doing that. I got some degreaser here and a 10mm socket, garden hose nozzle, and a little blow dryer air compressor nozzle. I'm going to use a 10mm to take off the two nuts on the front of the engine cover so I can clean the engine cover itself better and clean underneath of it. Once those nuts are off, it just pulls forward. And then I'm putting a nozzle on a garden hose here for some added pressure and hosing it down. And then I'm going to hit it with the degreaser, which is just purple power, super clean, even some soapy water to be fine. And you can hit it with a brush if you're feeling ambitious, and then just clean it off with a hose to get the soap off so it doesn't attract dirt later. I'm hosing everything down, electrical connections, everything. These are meant to withstand the elements. I'm even being a little flagrant here and putting some water in the air intake to kind of show you that that's not a huge deal and what you would do about it if you did get a significant amount of water down there. Hitting everything with degreaser. Again, these watertight sealed connections won't be affected by that. Hitting the battery, around the brake booster, brake fluid reservoir, just hitting everything so that we can knock the dirt and grime off of it all. And then hosing it down really good, flooding it pretty good with some water. None of that's going to make it inside the engine. And you know, really the only exposure point is through that air intake. And that air intake leads to the bottom side of the air filter, and there's drains in that box. And if it's pretty gummed up like this one is, those drains can be clogged. So kind of showing you here, take out the air filter, hit it with some air, clean out those little drain holes in the bottom, and it's not a big deal. Then it's back in with the air filter, on with the lid, and this is really done. You can dry things if you want, just kind of help, again, keep from attracting dirt and turning it to mud by drying it off. It kind of loses its sheen a little bit when you dry it off, but that's realistic and normal, and it's fine. If you were to put Armor All or something on there, it would really shine and look pretty, but again, it would just attract more dirt, so I don't do that. But that's really all there is to it. Water, soap, and some air if needed. Hope you found this useful and that you like and subscribe.